We Excel Educational Trust is an organization dedicated to serving children and adults with special needs.
We serve all kinds of special needs, ranging from developmental delays, emotional problems, and autism, and other intellectual challenges. VXL is a lifespan organization, which means we serve children who are newborn, and we sometimes have to take them right through to adulthood, depending on their individual needs and the family's needs. The early intervention program is really quite powerful because you have to catch them young. You can make a big difference at that age because whatever you do outside to the body reaches the child's brain and neurologically makes a big impact. Earlier, the intervention greater the scope for development, greater the chance of inclusion. Some children who continue to need special needs come into our Kaleidoscope Learning Center, which follows an innovative curriculum which is known as Waldorf curriculum. It's based on the teachings of Rudolf Steiner. This is called the curative education. Kaleidoscope Learning Center also works as an after-school program, as a remedial program. And people who go to other schools come here for additional remedial therapy or for additional guidance. Very, very important component of our training programs is the Vocational Training Center and the Vocational Job Developmental Center. So from Kaleidoscope Learning Center, they move into vocational training and we create livelihoods for young adults with special needs. So we encourage them in various professions like services like laundry, car washing and things like that. Art-based products, jewelry making, making pouches, making bags, art and craft. And we also have assembly line products like bags and paper cups and those leaf plates. And we also encourage them to go into automotive repair and so on. At the office front also, we do photocopying, data entry and encourage them to learn computers. So VXL has excellent professionals, creative and committed, and they have a great sense of belonging. So they take the organization as their own and work towards its development. I think this is the secret of VXL's success.